This video is sponsored by Cake Wallet, the easiest open source wallet to store Bitcoin, Monero, and Litecoin securely on mobile and desktop devices. When buying, selling, and exchanging crypto or trading for gift cards, Cake Wallet ensures privacy and security, giving you the keys to your coins. At Vacation Genie, we believe digital currencies are meant to do more than just sit in your wallet. They're meant to take you places. We want to help you step into the future of cryptocurrency spending, as travel is one of the top categories for spending your crypto. It provides you with the best ROI, lasting memories. Make sure to check out Vacation Genie today. Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to the Daily Zest. I'm your host, Randi Hipper, here today on a lovely Tuesday. We have a lot to talk about today as the Senate, which is going to be our spotlight, advancing the Genius Act. We're going to dive into what that is and what the next steps are. We also have Jamie Dimon. Oh, I hate Bitcoin. If I was the government, I'd shut it down. But can his clients buy it? We're going to dive into that one as well. Guys, we also have SEC news. Paul Atkins, our SEC chair, was talking. We also have Genesis filing a lawsuit against DCG. So this is still from the FTX fallout from a few years ago. We also have Crow. If you guys are Crow fans, we might have some Crow ETFs underway. And then we have our coins to watch. So if you're ready for the Zest, the news, the education, smash the like, subscribe to the channel, share the stream out, friends, so more people know what's going on here. Say good morning to me as I say good morning to you. And check out our three amazing sponsors of the show. We got Cake Wallet, Market Cipher, use code ZESTY for 15% off. And then head over to Vacation Genie. Guys, I'll be hanging out with Vacation Genie all 3 days of Bitcoin conference. So if you guys are going to be in Vegas, then please let me know and hang out with me. Mic level check. Is it too low? Let me know. Give me a sound check, please. Say low or high or whatever. But yeah, guys, we are going to be hanging out with Vacation Genie. Let me actually pull up that post for you guys. 1 second. Where's my post for Vacation Genie? I know it's been a little bit of a minute since I posted it. Yeah, 5 days ago. I tweeted like a million times since then. Okay. So the survey has concluded. Sorry, X is trying to have me promote this post, which I'm not going to do. But we have Vacation Genie. I told you guys to come hang out with us at Bitcoin Conference in Vegas. So they're going to be at booth 2533. Every day I'll be there from 1 to 2 p.m. So please make sure you hang out with us. I'm going to be definitely doing some... Okay, good. So I'm definitely going to be doing some stuff with them. So please make sure you guys hang out with us. Let me say good morning to everyone. I see Crypto Farmer just popped in on TikTok. Good morning, everyone. We have Crypto Princess. Guys, we will be raiding into Crypto Princess right after this ends. So make sure you guys are over on her channel after. You'll be redirected. So you'll just pop up there anyways. Woohoo! We do have Joe Harvey. We got Brian, Jesse. Good morning. All set. Blocky. As always, good morning to Black Hat. We have Alex Kaimana. Alexandra G. My G. Good morning. Let's see. We got Poe Man. Good morning to you. Yukio's over there on X. Good morning. We have David Bowles, John White, Michael Cartwright. He's coming over to Vegas. Yeah, we're gonna be in Vegas hanging out 1 week from today. 1 week from today. Isn't that absolutely insane? I can't wait. Oh my gosh, this is absolutely ridiculous. Alex on X, good morning to you. We have Backup Kid. Nice to see ya. He said, good morning to the zestiest host on YouTube. Well, thank you. Grandpa's chillin'. Silver Days is here. M2, good morning. Curtis Hill, good morning. Who else we got? We got Gazer, KM, JC, Sean Harris, Mike Mazzone over there on X. Good morning to you. Gary's on multiple platforms. St. Jerome. Let's see. Elric is here. Good morning, everyone. Keen Bean. James, good morning. Let's see. Ron, what's up? All right. Crimson's on X. Good morning. Crypto Farmer, Shadow. Scarlet, good morning. Sola Hefe. Ron and McMaster. So we have multiple Rons. Is that true? Curtis Neal, good morning. Casper is here. Casper won a ticket to Bitcoin conference. He's ready. Tyler Fitzpatrick is chilling. All right. Beautiful. Great Kazoo. Good morning to you. All right. Good morning, everyone. If I missed you, then yell at me in the chat if you want a good morning. I am just all over the place. There's so many comments, right? Boogaloo, boogaloo. I like that boogaloo. All right. Joshua said, same as a few others, got contacted by a fake Randy. There's too many of them on TikTok. It's absolutely ridiculous. Just block them. Good morning, Hugo. Good morning. All right. Let's do this. We're going to dive in. Oh, hello, Neo, over there on TikTok. Not TikTok, YouTube. Oh, we're also live on Abstract. Black Hat sees it. Okay, so that means we're live. We're live on Abstract right now. We're also live on Rumble, YouTube, X, Facebook, like so many other things in this internet galaxy that we're in. Whoa, you guys are going off in this chat today. Sergio, good morning. All right. Guys, if you're new to the show, make sure to let us know so we can give you the appropriate amount of love. All right, let's dive into the market recap. Trump is pumping. We're up 3.4% there. AV is up 16.8%. Curve up around 6%. Toncoin doing quite well too. Bitcoin, $104,450, down 1.1%. Again, we keep knocking on this 106.1. I'm telling you, if we create support at 106.1, then we have a nice shot at targeting our all-time high, which is around $109,000. So, keep calm, hodl on, have a bullish bearish case scenario. But I am so bullish. I am so bullish. Bearish level to watch is over here at 101.3. Again, we see that the wick lows have been kind of trending in that direction. Is it indicative of going back to that level? Maybe, it's possible, but I am very bullish on Bitcoin always. So further the $101,000 case scenario here, we do have a red dot freshly printed on Market Cipher. We're going to see if that plays out here. VWAP is slightly below that zero line, so that's definitely something to watch out for. However, the money flow is increasing ever so slightly today, which we love to see that. Over here on the RSI, oopsie, wrong one. The RSI is coming off. She's cooling off from that overbought. Again, the fact that we are still coming down from that overbought, we're still at 104.5K, I think that's considerably good. Considerably yummy. I'll say that for sure. I'm very excited about Bitcoin. Again, I do, though, know the pattern. And what's the pattern I'm referring to? Typically, when there's a Bitcoin conference, Bitcoin goes and not in the good direction. So, next week, I could expect a dip during Bitcoin conference because, gosh forbid, we have excitement and Bitcoin price going up at the same time. But that is just how it really goes. And I've seen it so many times before. I just go to Bitcoin conference and then all of a sudden Bitcoin goes down and then everyone's mad. But then everyone's happy at the same time because we're all here for each other. Now here's something to note. What goes around comes around. And there's going to be a bunch of people who say to you now and have said in the past, Bitcoin's bad. Just like our bestie, Jamie Dimon, saying, if I was the government, I'd shut it down. Meanwhile, we know who he's banked in the past, and they're not great people. Jamie Dimon and JP Morgan are going to allow their customers to buy Bitcoin. Of course, Jamie Dimon doesn't like that. He doesn't like Bitcoin, but of course he's not going to refuse the money, is he? Clients of JP Morgan will soon have the option to buy Bitcoin, according to Jamie Dimon, who spoke at the bank's annual investor day on Monday, signaling a shift in how the firm approaches the asset. He said, we are going to allow you to buy it, telling shareholders, though he added that the bank has no plans to hold the asset in custody. Dimon, long known for his skepticism of crypto, doubled down in his closing remarks, saying he's still not a fan, mainly because of its use for illegal activities, including trafficking and money laundering. Well, I would like to flip that back at him, but I just feel like he knows that Coinbase and a bunch of these exchanges are making a lot of money. But also, he has his own plans. You think he's doing this for you? Oh, I'm allowing you to buy Bitcoin. Blasphemy. Blasphemy, I'm allowing you to buy Bitcoin. That's nuts. Just that line alone. But he has his own blockchain. They've had their own JPM coin for years. They've been letting their high-end clients get exposure to crypto for years. And you're telling me just now he's like still not a fan? He didn't call it like a pet rock this time, but I don't know why anyone would listen to what he says anyway. If you've been listening to Jamie Dimon for the past few years and have not been buying Bitcoin, you missed out on so many gains, although we are still early. He says, we have been talking about blockchain for 12 to 15 years. We spend too much on it. It doesn't matter as much as you all think. But again, he has his own blockchain. This man is a different level of unhinged. Unhinged. Yeah, we don't need blockchain. We spend too much time on it, but here's my own blockchain. Bruh, it's actually hilarious. Jamie Dimon. This man he should actually be a comedian. He should actually be a comedian for rich people. Here's the link to Abstract. Here you go. That's the link for Abstract. T-Baz says, I worked for Jamie. He lies. The dollar gets used for crime. Of course it does. Of course it does. We go over the stats all the time on this channel. Michael Cartwright with the memberships. Thank you. Thank you so much, Mike. I appreciate you. But yeah, it's the reality. There's trillions of dollars every single year that get laundered, but it doesn't even compare to the amount of money through crypto that gets laundered. Not even comparable. So if anyone wants to throw that out there, I would throw it in Jamie's face. But, whatever. We'll digress on it. We shall digress because there's nothing we can do about Mr. Dimon. He's going to end up promoting Bitcoin, say he owns it. If you guys don't think Jamie Dimon owns Bitcoin, you're actually delulu. This man owns it somewhere. Whether it's his own personal bag or through his family, he owns Bitcoin. And gosh knows what else. What do you guys think? Do you think Jamie Dimon actually owns Bitcoin in the shadows of his own home? Want to guess emoji 2 or no emoji? Do you think that Jamie Dimon owns Bitcoin? Oh, hello, Snoochie. We have Juanito. We have French. Good morning. Good morning. All right, let's do this thing. Oh, Wrong Again is in the chat. Hello. Welcome. Quarter Crawler, good morning. All right, back into the zest. We got Genesis. I just wanted to throw the spice in a little bit earlier. Genesis filed dual lawsuits to claw back $3.3 billion from DCG and Barry Silbert. Now, Genesis was also part of the why am I blanking? The staking program, I believe, for Gemini. So this is still an FTX fallout. Genesis has launched a pair of lawsuits against DCG and its CEO, Barry Silbert, accusing them of fraud, reckless mismanagement, and siphoning more than $1 billion in value from the now bankrupt crypto lender. On May 19th, the Delaware Court of Chancery unsealed a complaint detailing how DCG allegedly used Genesis as a corporate ATM, draining funds through self-serving loans and concealed transfers while presenting a false image of financial health. Through their court-appointed Litigation Oversight Committee, LOC, Genesis creditors claimed that over 1 million digital coins, worth around $2.1 billion, were funneled away even as Genesis edged towards collapse. As per the complaint, Genesis creditors are owed $2.2 billion worth of crypto, and that includes 19,086 Bitcoin, 69,197 ETH, and over 17.1 million other tokens, along with significant unpaid fees and interest as of February 9th. That is absolutely ridiculous. That is a ridiculous amount of money there. Now, people are saying again that this was just an absolute epic fail on behalf of Barry Silbert. Barry, back in the day, claimed that he had really nothing to do with it, that he's sorry, whatever. But so was SBF. He was sorry. But people are owed a lot of money, guys. This is why self-custody, cake wallet, go ahead and take your crypto off of the exchange and put it away. Please put it away. I'm begging you, please put away your crypto safely in a device you do not use. If people know you as crypto rich, do not walk the darn streets with your crypto wallet on you. I'm telling you right now, don't do it. Don't do it. People are sillies. People are silly. I take no risk. Ridiculous. Alpha Junkies, hello. Nice to see you. Man, people take too much risk. Crypto Trucker Mike, good morning. Even if you don't have a large stack of crypto, you should not have it on you on the street. Unless it's like $50 and you could go ahead and like spend it at Steak and Shake or something. But besides that, there's no reason why you should have crypto on you. Absolutely not. Anyways, we're going to dive into the SEC. Guys, please smash the likes and share. Carl Elder, good morning. We need to smash the like and share because we're falling short. We're falling short right now, guys. We need to pump it up in this chat. Like, can I see some hearts in the chat? I need some energy. We need some energy. Oh, Bulldog Eric, good morning. Snoochie says, anyone ever messes with you, you send the king after him. They don't want to miss the Viking smoke. Snoochie, I can't with you, dude. Thanks, Snoochie. Shout out to Bao. Oh, gosh, Bao is in the chat.
Thank you.
Trouble has arrived.
Thank you. You're welcome. Thank you.
Dimon Wagon of Douch Nozzles.
Oh, you're so funny, Poe. Poe, I get such a kick out of you. Julie, good morning. Backup, good morning. Hello, everyone. Guys, Bao is in the chat. Everyone say hi to Bao and Julie. Bao doesn't have $50. No, probably not. Probably not. Bao. Oh, Bao. Hi, No Global. Oh, hello, everyone. You guys are so sweet. I have such a love for every single person that's here. Paul Atkins from the SEC says crypto markets have been languishing in SEC limbo. Oh, it's a limbo. In one of his first speeches since becoming chair of the SEC, Paul Atkins addressed some of the regulatory concerns and prepared remarks for a May 19th speech. He said it was a new day for the crypto industry under the current leadership of the SEC. He suggested that the financial regulator would be more open to adapt to and accommodate new developments while still abiding by its statutes. He said the crypto markets have been languishing in SEC limbo for years. He added, "Well, I've directed the commission staff across our policy divisions to begin drafting rule proposals related to crypto. The staff continue to clear the brush through staff-level statements." And that kind of goes back to what Hester Peirce was saying. She leads the crypto task force, and she was clarifying, again, memes are not securities. If you have a problem, if you lose your own money, then that's on you, buddy. Also, going into NFTs too, I believe it was also stated, let me fact check myself, NFTs with creator royalties are not securities. Creator royalties, securities. Let me go fact check myself here. Yes, okay. So this is new. So Hester Peirce said the system will allow creators to benefit from ongoing sales of their work. She emphasized that creator royalty features do not give NFT owners rights or interest in a business or the types of profits normally linked to securities. So there you go. If you are a creator, mint NFTs now. Mint NFTs. I love NFTs. I was one of the first creators to mint an NFT, darn it. Oh my gosh, guys, this is also episode number 600 of the Daily Zest. Write 600 in the chat. Right, yay 600. I love this show. Guys, this is episode 600. Can you believe that? Crypto Hugh said, first time listener, how often do you stream on X? Well, hello, my friend. I stream Monday through Friday at 9:45 a.m. Eastern. So the same time you're watching me now, Monday through Friday. I'm always here. Woohoo! I'm always here. Guys, we are live Monday through Friday, 9:45 a.m. Eastern. And this is episode number 600 of the Daily Zest. Isn't that crazy, dude? Isn't that crazy? This is episode number 600. Man, that's insane. My mind is blown every day. I looked yesterday. I was like, yesterday was $5.99. I was like, tomorrow's episode 600? No way. I feel like we just celebrated 500. And then soon we're going to celebrate 700, then 800, then 900, then 1,000. Oh, yeah. And with that, I say...
Why don't you like and subscribe and share this video?
If anyone is wondering what this thing is on my wrist, I could probably take it off now. But it's a mosquito repeller, man. I went outside this morning within, I'm not even kidding you, 1 minute, 60 whole darn seconds, I had 3 major mosquito bites. Three. I don't know what little mosquito snatched me, but it wasn't a nice one. I'll tell you that right now. He did not have mercy on me. Anyway, Circle, we're going to talk about Circle. Oh, hi, BBB. BBB's been here since the beginning. BBB, my friend. Oh, wait, is that BBB, Crypto for Seniors? He always changes his name and it confuses me. It's a scrunchie, LOL, I have daughters. Yeah, this isn't for my hair, though. This has mosquito repellent on it, so not that cute. But I did actually order scrunchies this morning. JC, you're so on point, JC. Yeah, mosquitoes are... Oh, no mercy there. No mercy. Memory man with the little mosquito emoji. All right, here we go, friends and family. Let's continue. We have Circle, and this is for the XRP. Oh, hello, kitty. Hello. Guys, we have XRP Ripple News, algorithm, XRP Ripple News. Guys, please put XRP emojis in the chat. XRP emojis in the chat. XRP emojis in the chat. So there were rumors that Circle, the issuer of USDC, was going to sell itself to Ripple for $5 billion. However, and this is, again, so we were confused. Let me go back a minute. Because everyone was saying, oh, okay, Circle is going to go public. They're going to have an IPO. But then we heard rumors about Ripple buying Circle for $5 billion. Apparently, Ripple's not the only one in the game that wants to buy Circle. Coinbase does. I believe, in the back of my little noggin here somewhere, that Coinbase and Circle are in cahoots because Coinbase has always propagated Circle. Always boosted USDC. It's the only stablecoin I see, at least, on my Coinbase, or when I did have Coinbase. So, and they offered interest on that too. You were able to earn rewards on your USDC. Thank you, Michael. So, this is very interesting, this report. So, do you think that Ripple is going to buy Circle? Put a 1 or yes emoji, 2 or no emoji in the chat. I need to know. Stablecoin issuer Circle, which filed for an IPO last month, explored the alternative of a sale to crypto exchange Coinbase or payments company Ripple, according to a report by Fortune. The New York-based issuer of USDC, the second largest stablecoin, took part in informal talks over a potential sale from which it was seeking at least $5 billion, according to Fortune. The figure would be lined with the company's valuation by JP Morgan and Citi, which Circle had helped hire for the IPO. Coinbase has a minority share in Circle, and the two companies share revenue from USDC's reserve interest income. Ripple recently debuted its own stablecoin RLUSD. An offer by Ripple to buy Circle was rejected, according to Bloomberg. Circle said in an emailed statement that it is not for sale and remains committed to going public. The company aborted a previous attempt at going public via a SPAC in 2021. So that's the full tea. So Circle says, we're not for sale, but again, the rumors behind the scenes is that Coinbase and Ripple want to buy Circle. Would I be surprised if they come out with an IPO, Circle's like, yay, we're public, and then all of a sudden they get acquired? I could see it happening. I could see it happening because Ripple didn't go public. Ripple's not filing for an IPO right now. So could this be their way of just like getting into, I don't know, getting into the IPO kind of fam through Circle? That, I don't know. Post tickets for sale. Listen, man, I wouldn't doubt it. That's why I'm talking about it, because if it happens, I'm not going to be surprised. Everything has a price. Everything has a price. And what I saw USDC's X post, I think it was yesterday, they said USDC is the digital dollar. I don't know how I feel about that line. I don't know how I feel about that one. Let's stick to the word stablecoin instead of digital dollar, because if I hear digital dollar, it scares me and thinking it's like CBDC-esque. I don't know. They said they're not for sale, but we'll see. Oh, hello, Andrew from Canada. Nice to see you. Guys, smash the like, subscribe, share it out. We're getting after it today. Should I see if I could get more tickets to give away to you guys? Should we do that? It's only a week away though, so I don't know if you guys are, if you win, if you'd be willing to book your ticket. Guys, should I give away more Bitcoin conference tickets? One or yes emoji, two or no emoji. Please let me know. If I could get more tickets, should I give them away? Because I think I might have one actually that I could give away. Now, we're also going to talk about CRO. Apparently, Crypto.com, again, they just partnered with Trump Media. They're going to do America First ETFs. So it's to be expected that Crypto.com and now Canary Capital are looking to launch U.S. CRO funds. Oh, hello. Thank you for the gifts over there on TikTok. Crypto.com and Canary Capital are launching a U.S. investment fund designed to provide exposure to CRO. The Canary CRO Trust will hold CRO token in a regulated fund wrapper, according to Crypto.com, adding that the trust is not an ETF and is only available to accredited investors. Creating regulated funds such as a CRO Trust is part of Crypto.com's plan for further mainstreaming crypto, according to Eric Onziani, president and COO of Crypto.com. Now, again, like I mentioned, they partnered with Trump Media and Tech Group, a company affiliated with Donnie T, to launch a series of Trump-branded ETFs, including one holding CRO. We knew this was coming. Now, we're also going to dive into our spotlight today. That's also very important. Yeah, I think John White says, whenever you say, I don't know, I think you really do. I might. Some of the time. Canary's a small player, always rejected. I think they get delayed just like every other ETF. I think Canary's going to make it. Hello, Randi A. Yeah, I think I do have a ticket to give away. I just have to make sure I could give it away. But if you guys are willing to go, maybe I'll do it. Where's Golden? I don't know, man. Pickaboo, hello. Oh, gosh, it's Pickaboo. We haven't seen Pickaboo in a while. All right, guys, we have the Senate advancing the stablecoin bill, the Genius Act. Guys, what is going on? What does this all mean? We're going to break it down right now. Let's do it. This was a grand slam. I watched the voting live yesterday, and Miss Liz Warren, everyone put fire emoji, Liz Warren emojis in the chat right now because this woman was so PO'd yesterday. Look at her. She's so mad. She's so angry. So angry. I'm going to build my anti-crypto army, right, Jamie Dimon? If I was the government, I'd shut Bitcoin down now. Comical. How's your anti-crypto army going now when a bunch of Dems voted in favor of the Genius Act? However, is the Genius Act something I'm in love with? Not really, but here we go. The Senate voted to move ahead on stablecoin legislation, removing a procedural barrier to ultimately pass the bill out of the body entirely. Senators easily cleared the 60-vote threshold for the vote, which is intended to just move the legislation to a period of further debate before a final vote series to pass it out of the Senate. The House of Representatives is working its way through its own version of the stablecoin legislation. Again, that's the Stable Act. The Senate previously failed to reach the 60-vote threshold to advance the bill during a vote on May 8th after Dem lawmakers raised concerns about consumer protection and national security provisions. The vote failed on bipartisan basis after Republicans Josh Hawley and Rand Paul also voted against cloture. Despite the setback, industry participants expected easy passage on Monday after lawmakers spent much of last week negotiating changes in language, though many of these changes seemed marginal. So, this is crazy. This is crazy. Liz Warren, you're getting flamed right now, Liz. Liz, you're getting flamed. Oh, so embarrassing. So embarrassing. Let me see if I can actually find that clip. I think it's like really due to go bring it up. Hold on. Let me search for this on Twitter. Jamie Dimon shut down Bitcoin. Let me go see if I can find this. This was just bad. This was bad. I played it during my old show in 2023. Wow, that's old, dude. That is old. Okay, hold on. I think this is it. I think I got it. Hold on. Where's my screen? Okay, there we go.
Deeply opposed to crypto, Bitcoin, etc. You pointed out the only true use case for it is criminals, drug traffickers, anti-money laundering, tax avoidance, and that is a use case because it is somewhat anonymous, not fully, and because you can move money instantaneously, and because it doesn't go through, as you mentioned, all these systems have built up over many years, know your customers, sanctions, OFAC, they can get bypass all of that. If I was the government, I'd close it down.
Okay.
Look at this face. Evil. If I was the government, I'd shut it down. Oh, dude. This guy is so unhinged. Jamie Dimon is the most unhinged individual. There's also meaning. Oh. Hello, Uncle Jimmy. Uncle Jimmy. I'm going to see Uncle Jimmy next week. Paper Planes is here. Hello, everyone. Smash the like, subscribe, and share. Let's do it. We're going to go into your coins to watch. We're going to look at some charts. I hope you guys are also subscribing to the channel. We're flying high right now, 21,122. Hopefully, we can get 8 more by the end of the show, get 21,130 subscribers. Did I nearly get kidnapped? No, I did not. People are still asking me, guys, that video of my dad and I from 2022 has 1.1 million views on TikTok right now because people think that I got kidnapped. I did not. It was not me. I sent all the love to the woman that did. The woman that almost got kidnapped was in her 30s. She was pregnant and had a son and a husband with her. No. That was not me. Oh my word. Is that Chachu right there? Chachi. Oh, wow. Look at you. Chachu, how are you? How did I get Bow? Actually, Bow, I'm going to fight you. I didn't say that on a live stream. I totally didn't. Coins to watch start now, and I'm not causing violence. Let's go. Look Looking over here, we have some green in the markets. Leading the way of the gainers, we got up around 17.5%. Pendle up 9.7%. Curve up 8.8%. And Donnie T pimping it up. $4. Not $4. 4.65%. Maker up to 75%. And then we got Pith leading the way, the losers. Down 8%, Story down 5.5%, Lido down 3%, and my poor little Litecoin down 2.7%, Gala down 1.4%. .1, hello. I woke up and chose Zest. Yeah, you know what? You could say that. You could, whoa, Jimmy. Let's Uncle Jimmy's getting spicy. You're talking about me waking up and choosing Zest? Look at Uncle Jimmy right now. Oh my word. No, it wasn't me that almost got kidnapped. No, it wasn't me. No, it was not. Crazy. Absolute craziness. Anyway. Actually, can you guys do me a favor? Hold on. Hold the front door. Guys, go to my website. I recently updated a bunch of things here. I still have to update these logos, but that'll happen. Please go to my TikTok. Click the link if you go on my website. We just hit 15,000 followers on TikTok. Loving that. Guys, you also see I'm live right there. How dope. But guys, we are doing so well on TikTok lately. I am so happy for all of your support. If you have not followed me on TikTok yet, the algorithm is so awesome over there where we're actually taking off. Now, a lot of people in crypto, they get very deterred from TikTok because when I was up until the last 6 months, I wasn't really gaining much traction on TikTok. And now we're consistently posting over there. And I've always been consistently posting, but I also have been gaining the views over there. So this is what bothers me about people sometimes, especially companies or projects in crypto. They don't get views and they get upset, but you have to keep posting. Guys, there's such an open playing field in crypto. If you want to create content on crypto, just do it. Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, just start now. Perfect time to do it. Perfect time. Uncle Jimmy, what are you up to right now? Okay, well, where's Chachu? Chachu, how are you bullish? Chachu is Chachu, how much younger are you? Like a year or two younger than me? Chachu, how do you feel about crypto right now? Are you and your friends bullish? Little secret about Chachi over there. Him and his friends, they're some of them are my age, or actually one of them is a year older than me. They all get on a call weekly and trade crypto. And I love that. I told him that he should start doing live streams with him and his friends trading crypto, and they'd blow up. Is it too late to start? Absolutely not. You're getting out of Gala. Really, Uncle Jimmy? I didn't think you'd ever let go of your Gala. $2,488 ETH, down 1.5%. We're looking to hold 2360. Bullish level to watch is 2650. Again, we have the 200-day SMA at $2,701. I'm telling you guys, if we pass a 200-day SMA with confidence, we could have a nice heyday. I would like to see a breakthrough through that 2,000 and go straight to $3,000 ETH, because ETH has the audacity to do it all. We know that, look, big move right here with ETH. Same thing right here. All of a sudden, just takes off. Same thing right here. Has a few huge candles. I should probably use a different color. Hold on. Let's get a different color out here. Brush. I don't know. Hold on. Let me see if I can get a different color. There we go. See? Big move. Another big move. And then another big move. So I'm telling you guys right now, ETH, it consolidates and then pops off. Litecoin, $93.73. Down 4.64%. We're looking to stay above $91. There was a lot of selling pressure there in the past. We know it. Also, $97 is our bullish scenario. Also, tapping this $100 200-day SMA is very important as well. Momentum is slipping on out here, slipping on down. We also have the VWAP that is down bad as well. Money flow is nearing that zero line. We don't want to see that. But again, we do have conferences next week. Again, when there's conferences, that's usually a bearish signal for the charts for some reason. We're also slightly bearish on this RSI. But again, if we could hold $90 at this neutral and work our way back up, that could be pretty bullish. Could be. Despite the reg in the market, Doge is actually holding up to almost 22 cents right now, down 2.1%. We want to keep holding around 21.25 cents. So Doge is doing well, considerably well. And the volume really isn't even that high. Your chart's a rainbow. It's market Cipher. Chach, did you, you should get market Cipher for your charts. You and your boys would love it. Use my code and my link in the description. You better use it, Chach. You better. David Bowles is over there on TikTok. Hello, my TikTokers. Woohoo! Guys are killing it on TikTok. HRJ Trading. Hello, Juice Toes. Hello. Hello, everyone. Straight chillaxin'. Welcome. Satoshi Nakamoto is here. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. Man, I am so bullish. I am so bullish. 100% viewer like ratio. We love to see it. We do. Dot one, I would be surprised to see ETH make a comeback. Listen, whenever people fade ETH, that's when ETH absolutely melts your face. So I would just, when people are fearful, that's when you should be greedy. It's kind of how I go about it. And I made a video. What was the video I made? I was looking at it this morning. I was so mad. Hold on. What was the video? Oh, what's this? Oh, Chachoo. Thank you for my little sticker. That's so cute. I love that. Hold on. Oh yeah, this video I made. When was this? This was a month ago. Literally a month and 4 days ago. Can I put the volume on this? Oh. Not understand. This is really upsetting to me because I just cannot understand where people's minds are. People are saying we're in a crypto winter. Oh, I'm so bearish on Bitcoin and crypto. Are you actually kidding me? Amid this macroeconomic chaos, Bitcoin still stands today at $85,000 while things have crashed and absolutely burned. Oh, if Bitcoin was really all about the macroeconomic turmoil, then Bitcoin would have been down to $20,000 or less. But no, it stands strong and people are still complaining. When in doubt, zoom out. Bitcoin is the best performing asset out of the last 15 plus years. And we are paving the way for future generations to achieve financial freedom against censorship-resistant transactions and 24/7, 365 access. Stop messing around. And if you agree, comment down below, give me a follow, share this out with friends. That was a rant. And so that was, April 16th. And then, hold on, let's go back to April 16th. It was, what did I say in the video? $84,000? Hold on, April 16th, right here. We were right here. 84K. And look at us now. Everyone's like, oh, we're going down. The world is over. Are you actually insane? Let's get the darn ruler out. Let's get the ruler out. Look. We're up 27% since. Everyone was, and those were all the bad headlines. Oh my gosh, we're crashing, we're burning. Bitcoin's going down to $50,000. Everyone crying. Stop the crying. Oh my God. It drives me crazy. It drives me crazy. So, I gotta chill out. I gotta chill out because it bothered me so much. Everyone was losing their minds, losing it. Oh, Bitcoin's gonna die. Oh, please. $104,000 Bitcoin now, and you were crying. Like, absolutely ridiculous. So I just wanted to let you know that I will always take you out of all the negative sentiment, okay? If you guys are all sad, wham, Bitcoin's gonna die, I will literally yell in your face like I did in that video and say, stop it. Stop. Bitcoin is fine. Bitcoin is prospering. It's okay. Bitcoin takes a little bit of a dip. It's normal. It's normal. Yes, thank you, Ice God. Proof is in the pudding. Oh my gosh, guys, speaking of pudding, from this Greek place that's near me, they had like one of those tiny containers of rice pudding. You know that was delicious. You know that was delicious. Chichu goes, I'm such a Brooklyn girl. Is that not where we came from? It's where I was born. It's where I was born. Hello, Ace of Hearts. Hello. Yeah, so I'm gonna calm down now because yeah. That's just what's gonna happen. I gotta calm it down. I'm losing it. Guys, this is episode number 600 of the Daily Zest. Woohoo! Oh, too much Cold Stone? I love Cold Stone. I love Cold Stone. Cotton candy ice cream? Mwah, chef's kiss. Chef's kiss. Yeah. I'm telling you right now. That it's going to be okay. Bitcoin is fine. And when Bitcoin is like down and out, like it was, not even down and out, it was like literally the tiniest dip. It was for a dip for darn ants. A dip for ants. And then you wait a literal month, and here we are, over 100K again. Or like, please stop the blasphemy. Stop the blasphemy. I was saying a month ago, if I was a rich, I was gonna say a bad word. If I was a rich gal, I would have been buying whole corns. And let me just throw this out here too. I know I'm like running out of time. What if we never saw $90,000 again? I'm not saying, I literally put out a tweet, oh, we may not ever see it again. I didn't say it was never happening. I said we may not. Because when everyone is saying, oh, this is a fake out, Bitcoin can't hold this, Bitcoin usually does the exact opposite. So let's say we never see $90,000 again. How are you going to feel about it? How are you going to feel? Sip your darn coffee on that. Sip your darn coffee at that. We might never see it again. And if we don't, sayonara. 100K will be the new floor. And 100K is still early. You guys know that $1 million Bitcoin is programmed. It's happening. It's just a matter of when. So you're looking at $70,000 compared to $1 million. It's a nice buy, isn't it? Even $74,000 compared to 104. Good buy, wasn't it? I can't. I run low on patience sometimes, but actually I don't, because then I put out other videos. Here's how you survive in crypto. Do your own research. Take your crypto off of the exchange. Put it in your own darn wallet. Stop clicking links. Your exchange will not text you. They will not call you. They will not send you a darn email. I wouldn't even click an email from nothing. I don't even click Calendly links anymore. How's that? I don't. Don't click links. Don't brag about your bags on social media. There you go. Don't FOMO. Have a bullish and a bearish plan. If number go up, good. Have a plan for that. If number go down, good. Have a plan for that. If there's a place you want to sell at, a price you want to sell at, stick to your plan. And don't be afraid to take profits if you need to, because you know what? It's your life and everyone's life is different. If you're investing to better your life, then go better it. You would think after 600 darn episodes, we would know all this by now. But you know what? There's so many new folk here. So many new folk. Oh, shoot. It's Ricky. Hello, Mr. Ricky. Everyone say hello to Mr. Ricky. I just saw Mr. Ricky. Oh, it's Mama Hang. Oh, say hello to Mama Hang. She's under Ricky's account. That's actually hilarious. I feel like I could run through a wall with that inspiration speech. See, Chach, with all your protein shakes and all like your pre-workout, go for it. Go, don't run through the wall. Like run through like a wall of like flowers or something, Chach. That's better. Run through a wall of flowers. Well, I'm just letting you know. Be your own bank. Don't click links. Calm down. Bullish bearish case scenario. DCA, for darn sakes. Dollar cost average. Set a daily, a weekly, a monthly, every other month buy. Whatever tickles your fancy, do it. If it fits within your budget. If you can't afford to spare any cash right now, all right, it is what it is. Just know that you could literally buy one singular dollar. One. You don't need to be a millionaire. You don't need to be rich. It's a currency exchange. Think about it. If you go to the airport and you say, can I have my 20 US dollars, take my 20 US dollars and give me the equivalent in euros. Do people think on a daily basis about how these two currencies fluctuate? No, they don't care. It's just a currency exchange. At the moment, here's what I got, here's what you can give me type thing. Same applies to the digital space with Bitcoin and crypto. It's a currency exchange. You don't need to be a millionaire. You don't. I know I'm not one. I know that I wasn't one. Like when I was 17, obviously, I had nothing. But you know what? I took my minimum wage job and I allocated some of that to Bitcoin. And my alts. So, there you go. Memory, it's my savings account too. Bitcoin is my savings. It's my retirement. And it's what I'm passing down to the children I do not have yet. I will pass my Bitcoin down to my children. And they will also be able to live free. My biggest bag is Bitcoin. Watch out, keep calm, huddle on, have a beautiful Tuesday. Tomorrow is Wednesday. We're going to do a members only after show. If you are not, and I'm going to scream this from the darn rooftop, if you are not a member of this channel, become a member of the channel now. We'd love to have you. I have a lot of love for you. Join as a member. Go to Discord, connect your YouTube account to Discord, and then go ahead and join the members only after shows on Wednesday and Fridays. Oh, yeah, then you could go do lunch at Steak and Shake. I love Steak and Shake. Steak and Shake, we love you. My hair's huge today. I got some things going on here. But thank you guys so much for joining me today. I have a lot of love for every single one of you. Sorry I ranted and raved, but this is kind of what I do on this channel for the past 600 episodes. Woohoo! Thank you for being here for episode number 600. I'm excited for the next 600 episodes, and I'm happy to be here with you almost every day of the week. Thank you guys. Have a beautiful day. If you haven't yet, smash the like, subscribe to the channel, share the stream out with friends so more people know what's going on here. Happy Tuesday. I will see you tomorrow. And as always, stay zesty. Mwah. Peace.